how to play American Idiot by Green Day. Standard tuning, no capo. The first chord we're going to play in this song is a G sharp power chord. Got 4th fret, the first finger on the low E string, 6th fret on the A string with the 3rd finger, and 6th fret on the D string with the pinky finger. I'm going to hit this chord twice, down, up. Now as we change to our next chord, we're going to catch the open E and A strings. I'm going to play a C sharp power chord, which is exactly the same shape, just move down a string set to the 4th fret of the A, 6th fret of the D, and 6th fret of the G string. I'm going to strum twice, up. So we've got... And we'll catch the open E and A strings again as we move to our next chord. And we'll go to an F sharp power chord, which is down on the 2nd fret with the 1st finger on the low E string, 4th fret on the A, and 4th fret on the D. And we'll strum this twice up as well. So... back to the C sharp, I'm going to hit that once, then to the G sharp once, and the F sharp once. So the first part of that riff, we've got this. The second time through the riff is exactly the same, we just end it slightly differently. So we start off the same. And then instead of hitting this F sharp chord to end, we hit the open E, B, and G strings. And an up strum, so it sounds like this. Now let's put the two together. So we've got... For the verse, we're going to start with an open high E, B, and G strum. And then we play the first half of the main riff, so the G sharp, C sharp, the F sharp, and then a little run. Then we have a bar of silence, and on the second bar, on the 4th beat, we come in with that up strum, and then play through the riff again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the chorus, we're going to sit on the chords a lot longer. We're going to start with a C sharp power chord, and we're going to strum down, 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 up, down, 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 and then on the up strum, we'll be hitting the open E and A before we swap to a G sharp power chord. Same strumming. Open strings at the end before we go to a new power chord, which is a D sharp 5 power chord. Got 6th fret on the A, 8th fret on the D, 8th fret on the G, same strumming again. Open strums before we go back to that G sharp power chord. Okay, so far for the chorus. Second time through, starts exactly the same, C sharp 5, G sharp 5, D sharp, and this time we just sit on that D sharp 5 until the end of the bar, and then we start through the main riff again. So the whole chorus sounds like this: C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. To end the song, we play through the main riff, we just end it like this. So we've got up, down, up on the C sharp, and a down strum on that G sharp chord to finish. So the end riff would sound like this. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.